Today topic of discussion is riboflavin, vitamin B2. This one is also known as Warburg yellow enzyme because this one vitamin B2 is energy drink, yellowish in color, discovered by Otto Warburg. So it has that name, Warburg yellow enzyme. It is also food coloring agent. It gives yellow to orange color to the food. It is heat stable and light sensitive. Now moving to chemistry part. It contains dimethyl isoalloxazine ring along with nitrogen and ribitol. This ribitol is derivative of ribose. This ribitol is the derivative of ribose sugar. This structure is known as riboflavin. This dimethyl isoalloxazine ring with nitrogen with ribitol. This structure name is called as riboflavin. When it connected with the phosphate is known as FMN, flavin mononucleotide. When this FMN is added to AMP, adenosine monophosphate, this structure is known as FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide. So this one dimethyl isoalloxazine dimethyl isoalloxazine ring along with nitrogen and ribitol. This structure name is called as riboflavin. This riboflavin linked with the phosphate group name is called as FMN. FAD is formed from FMN by transfer of an AMP from ATP. So active form of this riboflavin is FMN and FAD. These two are active form or coenzyme form of vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 is absorbed by our small intestine and transported to all tissue by circulation. It is absorbed by our small intestine and distributed to all tissue by circulation. Next, moving to biochemical function. FMN and FAD, these two cofactors are active form are involved in oxidation reduction reaction. This one is the energy generating vitamin involved in cellular respiration. The functional unit of isoalloxazine ring serve as an acceptor for two hydrogen atom. FMN and FAD undergoes reversible reaction accepting two hydrogen atom. It form F1NH2 and FADH2. FMN and FAD undergo reversible reaction. It will accept two hydrogen atom. After that it form FMNH2 and FADH2. This one is the functional unit. FMN and FAD required for various reaction. We will discuss few example. First one is it is catalyzed by conversion of L-amino acid to alpha keto acid. L-amino acid to alpha keto acid. Here ammonia is released and FMN is reduced to FMNH2. FMN here reduced to FMNH2. First reaction. Second, it involved in carbohydrate metabolism. Pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA. Here also FAD is reduced into FADH2. Third reaction, alpha ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl-CoA. Catalyzed by oxidative decarboxylation process, alpha ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl-CoA. Here also reduction will occur. FAD is converted into FADH2. Then last example, succinate is converted into fumarate with the help of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Here also reduction occur. FAD is converted into reduced into FADH2. Other important reaction, acetyl-CoA dehydrogenase, D-amino acid oxidase, xanthine oxidase. So these are the reaction catalyzed by FMN and FAD as a coenzyme. They mainly involved in oxidation reduction reaction. They involved in carbohydrate, protein, fat metabolism and activation of vitamin B12 and folate. Next, dietary sources. Rich sources in milk, milk product, meat, egg, liver and kidney. Moderate sources in cereals, fruits, vegetables and fishes. Cereals, only outer layer of cereal containing riboflavin. Then RDA, men 1.5 mg milligram, women 1.2 milligram, pregnancy and lactation period 1.5 mg. So nearly about 1.5 mg. Next one is deficiency. No individual deficiency of riboflavin, but it can occur as a part of multi-enzyme deficiency or in patient with protein energy malnutrition. Decrease intake of all vitamins. Alcoholic or decrease intake condition is known as riboflavinosis. So alcoholic or decrease intake condition is known as riboflavinosis. Then clinical features, it causes cirrhosis. First condition cirrhosis. Second one is clositis. Third one is corneal vascularization. Then seborrheic dermatitis. Then angular stomatitis. These are the clinical features related with the deficiency of vitamin B2. Decreased intake means it causes the deficiency, name is called as riboflavinosis. Then clinical features, it causes cirrhosis, angular stomatitis, seborrheic dermatitis and corneal vascularization. Corneal vascularization, eye become bloodshot, itching and sensitive to bright light. So now coming to notes format. Active form of riboflavin, FMN and FAD, they act as a prosthetic group of several enzymes. They catalyzed oxidation reduction reaction. They required for growth, repair, development of body tissue, of healthy skin, eyes and tongue. It involved in various carbohydrate, protein, fat metabolism and activate activation of vitamin B12 and folate. That's all about vitamin B2. Thanks for watching.